The Next Flow standard air blade air knife is actually a very old design of an air knife. Compressed air knives are used for blowing off, for drying, and for cooling. The Extreme Air Blade air knife, which is the newest design, is more efficient in energy consumption, gives you a much tighter, narrower force, concentrated force, and is the most common air knife utilized today. However, the standard air blade air knife still does have some particular advantages. One of those is if you need to use compressed air as some sort of a barrier. The way the standard air blade air knife works is the air comes out, bends 90 degrees over a series of coanda angles, so that you then have this laminar flow of air which leaves the bottom of the air knife because it's hugging that final surface. That surface of that air knife, if it's matched up to another flat surface, say the surface of a camera, so that the compressed air and the amplified air exiting the air knife follows that flat surface from the air knife onto the flat surface of the part that they want to have the barrier for. You can have a continuous barrier to keep out floating mist and floating debris to effectively protect the surface. Again, examples being the surface of a camera. That's one application. We have also had situations where two air knives, usually fairly small lengths, put together, two standard air blade air knives, so that where the air is coming down on one side, then you have the other one next to it, and you maintain the space between the two air knives to be very, very small. You actually have a slit, which is now acts as a vacuum, and it can be used to basically vacuum up loose debris from a surface. So they do have their applications. They are also a little bit less costly than the Extreme Air Blade air knives. However, again, they do use more energy. And in many applications where old style air knives have been used, it just tends to be more of a replacement product. However, they still can be used. They are used, and they do have their special application.